Good morning, it's Friday the 29th of April and the tree cutting has continued. The line of firs over here is gone. And the cutting will continue, I would imagine, until all those trees are away. Big tree at the back here, big fir, is away as well. So this is what you've got here. There's the last big tree, big fir there. You're now looking up into a field with horses coming on round, row of trees that used to be there, and all those rough smaller trees, they'll be removed as well, because there's some amount of land up here. And this is looking over the King's Road area, or towards the King's Road, down Gilnahirk. You can see the cars waiting away down there. But the lights and the views are fantastic here. Stormont, of course. And Gilnahirk Primary with its solar panels. And this is some sight, and it's wide open now. Sorry that again that they have taken all the trees down. So the site is obviously being cleared for some purpose or other. They'll probably stick about 20 houses up in here, and they'll make a killing. This is greenbelt, of course, but they'll get round that some way, because this man is not clearing this area for nothing, unless he decides to build a massive house over here where the old house is. It's some view. And you can see from the number of tree stumps, there's 4, there's another 5 up there, that's 10. I see smaller ones, there's 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. There's been about 50 or 60 trees removed here, at least 50 or 60, and some of them were substantial trees, like these, this line here. They're all gone, and we have clear blue sky, or clear grey sky, and you can see right down the lower Braniel Road here. They've left some of the deciduous, but apart from that, they're all gone.